This is a slot that goes across the top, and this is for the rollers on that upper door that swings up. And I'm sure there's proper hardware that you can get for this, but I like to improvise using the stuff that I've already got. So I'm going to take the rollers from these old drawer slides that I salvaged from my old kitchen. The upper door that swings up has rollers on each end, and to help install those, I made a drilling guide from plywood, and this will help to locate the rollers in exactly the same place on both sides.